Hi beauties, welcome to today's video. It's been a long time since I've delivered a hair tutorial for you guys. And when I find something that I just really love, that I feel really comfortable and I really feel like myself in, I just have to share it with you guys. If you are interested in doing like a really sleek and beautiful high ponytail with a long braid, I know this look has been around for a really long time, but I am going to share with you guys some tips and tricks on how to bring this whole look together, how to make it look more polished. And also if you have really short hair and you just want a really long ponytail, I got you. We're gonna talk about that in the tutorial. And it's also a really great look to create if you just wanna stay away from using heat or if you have a really bad hair day. So with that being said, let's jump right into the tutorial. Step one, I love using the styling wax anytime that I'm doing any sort of polished, sleek back look. This product is amazing because it doesn't flake, and also if you have textured hair, you don't have to smooth out the hair first. This is going to take care of all the flyaways, any baby hairs, and really just smooth things out. So I like to just smooth it all along my hair. For this look in particular, I'm also going to take out a few pieces of hair around my ear, and then with a brush, I'm just going to start by smoothing everything down and then using a hair tie to tie it in place. Really nice and tight. Next comes the fun part, which is adding a ponytail extension. You can find these on Amazon at a very affordable price. This is where I got mine. And I am going to just start by clipping this into the ponytail and wrapping around this piece of hair to really secure the ponytail extension in place. After that, I'm just going to section off 3 pieces of hair because I am just going to do a traditional braid. I am not an expert at braiding, so this is actually a little bit of a struggle for me, which is why I chose the easiest type of braid. But of course, you can customize it to any type of braid that you wish. You want to keep in mind that in whatever direction you're braiding the braid at the very beginning, that's the direction that the braid is going to take. So make sure that you first braid it to the back and then you can bring it forward once you are midway through the braid. And then just with my fingertips, I'm just going to add a little bit more of the styling wax to the little pieces of hair on the side so they are nice and polished. Now, as you can see, my hairline does look like it's thinning out. It's really not thinning out. This is quite normal for everybody, but if you really want to fill in the edges and just make the look, just really bring it together, I would recommend using a product like this one, specifically made to fill in any thinning of the hair or any gaps. But if you don't have this, you can definitely use a dark brown eyeshadow or a contour color close to the color of your hair, and then just start by filling it in. Next, I'm going to take this really great product. I just picked it up at Sephora. It's a new line by Tracee Ellis Ross, and I just love her line. I just wish she made more products for wavy hair girls. So I did get myself some edge control because I definitely use this. I am just going to rub a little bit of this product around the hairline for the baby hairs to really lay them down, and then also gives them a little bit of a sheen, so I really like that. I'm also using this small little brush for your edges as well, and I'm going to use the brush end to really just comb out that product into the hair. And then I am going to start by just taking out a few sections of baby hairs around the temples. And this step here is all preference as far as how you like your baby hairs, but if we are following the picture, which I am, I'm just going to take out these 2 little sections on the right and the left side of my temples and just kind of comb them through like that. To finish off the look, I would recommend using a sheen spray. This one here I love because it actually gives my hair shimmer, and I think it looks really beautiful to finish off a beautiful high ponytail and really polish off that braid. To keep my ponytail on either my right or my left, I just use a hairpin just to secure it in the back. And we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am so excited to do a celebrity inspired video, which is something I haven't done in such a really long time. So let me know in the comments section if you want me to continue to do more celebrity inspired looks so I can show you guys really simple ways on how to achieve that look, either hair, makeup, or fashion. So let me know if you guys are into that. All of the products that I featured in today's tutorial, I'm also going to be linking them down in the description box just in case you guys missed anything and you want to use the products that I'm using, or you can just find something similar. Nonetheless, everything is going to be down in the info bar if you guys are interested. So please make sure to subscribe, guys, to my channel if you guys are into it, and leave me a comment. Like always, I will see you down in the comment section. Thank you so much for showing so much support, for showing up, showing so much love. I really appreciate each and every single one of you guys. So have a blessed and beautiful day, and I can't wait to see you soon.